Maui. What the hell are you doing, buddy? Alright, what's up, vlog? Welcome to the channel. Sorry for all the noise. I'm outside trying to clean my car. We're installing first mod to the Z today. So I figured I'd clean this mother trucker up. We got Maui out here doing his little dog thing. Sorry for all the noise. There's like construction or something going on at the neighbor's house. So we're gonna clean up the vehicle, free the machine, and then I think Pat is coming over. He's gonna help me install this new part. So let's get to it. I got my shirt off, you know, because, well, fucking shreds. So I'm just kidding, trying to get a little bit of tan before summer's over. So let's get to it. Right, so finished washing my vehicle, free the machine. Gotta dry it off, but I just cannot wait any longer to show Pat the first mod of the vehicle. Pat, put the corn on the cob. 4,000. Are you ready to see the mod?
Dude, let's do it.
Let's go, dude. Woo! Isn't that sick? Woo! Let's go. Here, wait, take the camera. Let's hold this back a little bit. This is the before, and this is the after.
So good.
So good. I like the yellow too, man.
Yeah.
Is that yellow or is that orange?
I would say it's a gradient.
It's like a orange.
You orange.
It's a ye orange. Yellow orange.
Ye orange.
Ye orange. Hell yeah, brother. Damn, I'm sweating.
It's hot.
Alright, so ladies and gents, we've got the first modification to the Z, the Freedom machine. Each plate adds about, what, 200 horsepower?
At least.
At
yeah.
least. You know,
I mean,
dynos don't even read this because it's just so much horsepower.
Yeah.
Yeah, so. And then we got that other modification coming in the mail. It was ordered today. You know what I'm saying, brother? Brother Bill at Cars and Coffee. If you're watching this, Bill.
You better watch out.
Brother, this is for you, okay? That was for our talk on Saturday. You know, we're about to be Americans, smoke some cigars, crazies with our American muscles. Alright, let's show these folks how to install a license plate. Okay, Maui, so first, he's trying to tell you something. Take a screwdriver. And just pull the sucker out.
It's pretty straightforward.
Bro, some people honestly probably don't understand how to do this, so this is how to, dude, I guarantee if I title it like how to install a license plate,
Click, click,
1 million views later. Wow, these people are stupid. Fold it in a square. Take your,
What about a triangle? Does that not work?
no, brother, come on. This is America, not Europe.
Sorry.
Okay, see the dirt? Dirt is weight, and weight slows you down.
That's right.
So, it's a little scratched up,
Yes.
but you know what? I don't give a shit. Well, this
The
is all,
camera's not gonna see it, but.
this is all like detail spray. Oh, that's scratched. Fuck. Wow, I've never came down here. Don't put this in the vlog. No, I'm just kidding. Wow, my car is fucked up.
Gotta sell it.
I think we're gonna go with this one. No. We're gonna go with this one. Should we go with this one?
Yeah.
Oh, Ben. Okay, folks, so you make sure that it's flat. Okay. Make sure you find your dog. Oh, there he is. Okay. Screw. And you screw it in. You know what I'm saying? You just screw it in. You just screw it. Nice. Smooth and hard. You know what I'm saying, brother? Don't put your head in the gutter. We're just installing license plates, okay?
That's what it is.
Second one, you know, because you got to get both holes.
This guy.
You don't think it's funny? I think it's funny. You're supposed to laugh, man.
Ha! Ha!
Hit that like button if you think I'm funny. I get like 100 dislikes. Oh shit. Oh, God dang, guys, come on.
Alright, so you got a real good technique going.
Okay.
Okay, so what I would do though,
What?
that right bolt, I would make it, you know, nice and this way. You know? You see how that one? Yeah.
Brother, see, the thing is I'm used to going so fast that people
There,
don't
perfect.
people don't even see that. Hell yeah, dude. I've never had a custom plate before. I'm so excited, dude. I am. Look, little kid. Okay, so this way we don't get pulled over by the police. Put these little sticky sticks on. Make sure, guys, that you put the month on the right side and the year on the other side. Dummies. Oh wow, these are really sticky. Okay, let's get a close-up over here because we're trying to make these nice. Oh, fuck. Damn it. I smell like shit.
I thought that was me.
Really?
Yeah.
I think it's my shirt.
It's probably both of us. It's hot out here, guys.
It's fucking hot. Wow, that just went on. Did you see that?
Heck yeah.
Oh, it's stuck to my finger. Well, I'll be
legal.
damned. I don't know why Maryland gives you 2 plates, because I never fucking use it. I'm just saying, I don't know. I keep telling them I'm not going to use it, so you just keep one.
You can save. What is that?
I should put
Aluminum?
this. I should put this one on the front. Hell yeah, brother. Dude, don't you get money back when you turn these things in?
Maybe. I don't know. I've never done it.
Yeah, you do. You know what that means? Catters. Nitrous. Ray, here's $100. Perfect. It's fine.
That's all I need.
That's all I need. It's like a $100 discount. All right, ladies and gents, we just installed 200 horsepower on the vehicle. So probably take some pictures later. Please like and subscribe.
Stay free.
Did
No.
you give us a vote? I'm just kidding.